In the Phyto 4, we talk about the virtues, the wonders of the fat we need in order to be better. So right now, we are in the laboratory. We are going to make, so you have to learn, you see, and you can do that at home. We are going to make a therapeutic sauce and to active things today. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. We will allow you to use all the kind of nature and use them in order to live better, to fight against all sort of disease in the world. So right now, where I'm sick, I would like to recover myself with the nature. So we are talking about the oil, the saturated fatty oils. You will use them right now in order to recover ourselves, to use all the active ingredients which are in the oil. The first, we'll talk about how to make a medicine soap. So here the active ingredient of verbena. The secret of verbena plant is in the alcohol here. Here alcohol is the solvent, and that alcohol will take all the ingredient, the active ingredient in that alcohol, and so will make the verbena soap today. So I will choose that coconut oil, and I will make the soda in the small white grain. To make a liquid soda, we put the grain in the water. After doing the liquid soda, we'll do the saponification. Right now, I'm going to make the liquid soda. You buy your soda and you put your soda in the water. I repeat, you make your soda, your grain of soda in the water. Never do the different that putting water in the soda. It's very dangerous. You can do that experimentation at home, so be careful, pay attention when you are doing it. So here you have our liquid soda. To make our verbena soup, the soda, the vegetable oil, and the tincture of verbena here. And we mix all of them so that mixture become a soup. After doing that, we have a verbena soup. So here is you can see it, you need to know. Here is the coconut oil. I will put that coconut oil in my liquid. So I will mix here the soda liquid and the oil, the coconut oil, and I will change the molecules from the beginning. Here is the example. So here, look at, you can do it at home. After that, I mix that the saponification, and we are making our soap becoming solid. And here I had my alcohol. Here is the medicine. So here it's finished. Here is the syrup, a therapeutic soap. If you have enough oil, you can do enough and send it in order to make money. And the soap is therapeutic, so it's the medicine. So it's finished. So the student will wait a bit. So you put it here and waiting a minute. So the second experiment. Here is a 90%. So when you are intoxication, here it's the red oil. You will use it in order to fight against all persons. So in the first video, I say it's able to help you to fight against night husband, night genius, all wizard, and also. But if you are religious and you are always praying, it's no use to do it. But if you like me, you can do it before sleeping. That will help you to fight against night husband, night genius, wizard, and else. Second, we are going to use that red oil to fight against cancer. How to cure cancer with that red oil? Is a mix of turmeric, ginger, and pepper. So I will mix the turmeric, ginger, pepper in the red oil. But you have to know, if you haven't any turmeric, any ginger, any pepper, you can have the red oil single. The nature is able to solve all our problem, our issue. Sometimes we like to add several things in order to to transform strong. But even if you haven't any turmeric, any ginger, any pepper, you can't have red oil single. It's enough. But if you can have, here is a red oil, and here is a mix of turmeric, ginger, and pepper. But it's not indispensable. If you haven't any turmeric, you can use it. Here I will add the red oil in my in my glass. So I will add the turmeric, ginger, and pepper. Here I'm doing it, and I'll mix all of them. I'll stir. So it's finished. It's completed. And I take 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 tablespoon in the evening. That can help you in order to solve your cancer problem. So here you have to know the oil is a medicine, is not bad thing, we are able to destroy you. So to this, so the saturated fatty acid. Here is the second experiment. So let's end it with the third experiment. That the first experience example, you will take the oil, the lesser oil, the carrot oil is black. So we are going to make a verbal emulsion. What does that mean? We'll stir it oil and water. So before use it, you have to stir them. So I'll put the here is verbera. So I put it, and here the solvent is water. So here water take all the active ingredients that why the color change. So we'll add it in our oil, that black oil. So I put it and I stir and close it. Here we use oil and water. It's very difficult to stir them. The water is in the up, in the bottom you will find water. If you want to use that mixture of verveda, water and palm kernel oil, you stir them before utilizing. Here you have all the active ingredients from the oil and all the ingredients in the alcohol, in the water, from the verbera. It is a mixture of verbena water and palm kernel water. Here it is the emulsion of verbena. There are the active ingredients of verbena. There are also the active ingredients of our palm kernel oil. So let's go to see our soup. We'll try to use it if it's better. How may I do in order to check it? Yes, I will empty that and will put my soap in that bottle. You have to work quickly. Pour it in it. You can wash yourself with that soap. You can do it at home. Let's go to try. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So we make our soap. Here is our soap. It's better. It's okay. It's very easy. We can do it at home and wash yourself in order to clean your skin. All this sickness. Yeah. Here is our soap. Therapeutic soap. You can use it and to clean yourself. Thank you very much. We'll complete our video and we'll talk about our saturated fatty acid. Thank you very much. See you next video.